Let's be real for a second. A-level physics is a beast. Seriously, it's always ranked as one of the toughest subjects you can take. So if you're a student just staring at a page of equations, feeling completely lost, or maybe you're a teacher trying to find new ways to help your class, you already know that just study harder is not the answer. You need a smarter way to work. So in this explainer, we're going to build the ultimate AI toolkit that will completely change how you tackle A-level physics. So what's the very first wall that most students hit? Well, it's right here. Physics is basically built on a foundation of math. It's not just a part of the subject, it's the language it's written in. If your algebra or your trig or your calculus is even a little bit shaky, everything else just becomes a massive struggle. This is hurdle number one, and trust me, it's a big one.
But honestly, the math is just the beginning. The real challenge is what I call the quadruple threat. First, you've got that intense math we just talked about. Second, you have these mind-bendingly abstract concepts. I mean, you can't actually see a magnetic field or a quantum particle, right? Third, you have these complex, multi-step problems that force you to pull ideas from totally different topics. And finally, there's just the sheer volume of content you have to get through. It's a perfect storm, and it's exactly why so many students feel completely overwhelmed.
And look, this isn't just a feeling. This right here is fascinating. It's from an actual examiner's report. This is like getting a peek behind the curtain. It shows that even with a supposedly basic topic like potential dividers, a huge number of students get completely tripped up. It just goes to show that mastering the fundamentals is every bit as important as tackling this super complex stuff. And just to make things a little more complicated, your A-level physics journey might be totally different from someone else's. These charts show just how much the modules can vary between the different exam boards. You might be deep into mechanics, while another student is focused on statistics. And that's so important to remember, because it means your study tools absolutely need to be tailored to your specific curriculum. Okay, so we've laid out the problem. Now let's build the solution. Here's our game plan for today. We're going to put together our AI toolkit piece by piece to take down each part of that quadruple threat. We'll start with a math powerhouse, then bring in an exam assassin, followed by a concept visualizer, and finally a second brain to keep it all organized. Ready? Let's dive in. Just remember, the goal here isn't about putting in more hours. It's about making the hours you do put in count. It's all about studying smarter. So let's build that smarter toolkit, starting with the biggest challenge of all. So let's go right back to that first hurdle we talked about. How do you finally conquer the math so you can actually focus on the physics? All right. Meet your new secret weapon, the Math Powerhouse. This is a set of tools designed to do all the heavy lifting for you, so you can really get to grips with the concepts behind all those numbers. Now, the undisputed king of the Math Powerhouse is Wolfram Alpha. And I have to be crystal clear about this. This is not like ChatGPT. A large language model can hallucinate. It can literally just make up an answer. In physics, that is a recipe for disaster. Wolfram Alpha is different. It's a computational knowledge engine. It doesn't guess, it computes. It gives you the correct, exact answer every single time. So what does this actually do for you? Well, are you stuck on a really tough derivation? The Pro version will give you a complete step-by-step solution. Can't picture what a vector field looks like? It'll draw it for you. Is your calculator choking on some heavy calculus? Wolfram Alpha can handle it, no problem. And for when you're on the go, apps like PhiWiz and AI Physics Solver put that same incredible power right in your pocket. And you know, it's not just me saying this. This review from a user of a similar app really says it all. It's a total lifesaver. You know that moment when a concept finally clicks because you see the step-by-step breakdown? That's what these tools deliver. It's basically like having a personal tutor on call 24/7.
All right, so you've started to tame the math. But with A-level physics, knowing the right answer just isn't enough. You have to know how to write the right answer. You have to learn to think like an examiner. And for that, you need an exam assassin.
This is Medley AI. And what makes this tool an absolute game changer is that it isn't some generic study app. It is built specifically for the UK curriculum, AQA, OCR, AdExcel, you name it. It has been trained on your exact syllabus and all the past papers. It's literally like having an examiner sitting right next to you, guiding your every move. So how does it actually work? Well, you answer a practice question, and it marks it for you, instantly using the official mark scheme. You know those tricky explain questions where you keep losing marks because you didn't use the right keyword? Medley will tell you exactly what the examiner is looking for. And best of all, it learns what your weak spots are and gives you more practice on those specific topics. It's personalized revision at its absolute best.
Okay, we've covered the math and the exams. Now for the truly mind-bending stuff, that invisible world of physics. How on earth do you get your head around concepts like quantum tunneling or magnetic fields? Well, you need a concept visualizer.
This is a two-pronged attack. For research, you want to use Perplexity AI. Think of it like a search engine on steroids. It gives you direct answers, and crucially, it shows you its sources, so you know the information is reliable. Then, to make the invisible visible, you combine Google Gemini with PhET simulations. You can show Gemini a complicated diagram from your textbook and ask it to explain what's going on. Then, you can jump over to a PhET simulation and actually see it happen. It's the perfect way to connect abstract theory to something real.
Okay, finally, let's talk about the information overload. You've got lecture notes, textbook chapters, past papers, countless equations. It's just chaos. To handle all of that, you need a way to organize that chaos. You need a second brain. And our tool for that job is Notion AI. The whole idea of a second brain is to have one single place where you can store, organize, and connect every single thing you're learning. And Notion is the perfect platform for this. It can take that mountain of messy notes and turn it into a powerful, perfectly organized revision hub. Here are 3 super quick ways you can use it. 1, just paste in your messy lecture notes and ask Notion AI to summarize them into clean key bullet points. 2, feed it your syllabus and ask it to generate active recall flashcards for every single topic. And 3, use it to create a detailed revision schedule that links directly to all of your notes. It's everything you need all in one place. So, there you have it. This isn't just a random list of apps. This is a complete system for learning physics. It's all about working smarter, not just putting in more and more hours and hoping for the best. Remember that quadruple threat from the beginning? We've just dismantled it piece by piece. Struggling with the math? You've got Wolfram Alpha. Weak on exam technique? Medley AI has your back. Can't grasp the abstract concepts? Perplexity and Gemini are there. And feeling buried by the workload? Notion AI is your organizer. For every problem, there's a tool in the stack. So here's the bottom line. The tools to absolutely smash A-level physics are here right now, and they are more powerful than ever before. The old way of just burying your head into textbook and hoping for the best, that's over. This is the new toolkit for the modern student. So the only real question left is, how are you going to use it?